What's up, KamaTV? It's your dating coach Emre from KamaLifestyles.com, back with another episode of KamaTV. Today, we are tackling a cheeky, bold, and let's be honest, a pretty important question. Where should a guy leave his load? Now, I know what you're thinking. This is about as personal as it gets, right? But let's face it, it's something every man wonders about at some point. Whether you are navigating the early stages of intimacy with a new partner or just curious about what women actually think, this is a topic worth exploring. Here's the thing, guys, the question isn't just about the preference, it's about communication, mutual understanding, and let's not forget, keeping things fun, respectful, and consensual. After all, intimacy is a two-way street. So today, I'm hitting the streets to ask women what they really think about this topic. Do they prefer the classic approach, something spontaneous, or maybe they have some unexpected answer that'll surprise us all? Stick around because I also be breaking down what this means for you and how you can navigate these conversations confidently. Let's get started. Where should a guy leave his load?
In a condom.
Inside me.
In my mouth.
On the face!
Anywhere outside, not inside.
I guess in a condom.
Sometimes on the face, on the body.
In the mouth.
On the bed.
Just where you both feel like it.
On the face!
If it's consensual and it's asked before, potentially elsewhere, but I'm not gonna say that because, I mean, if they've asked to, like, put it anywhere else, like in a come in you or like in the mouth, but that's for them. But like they can ask that first. But
Ask for that, all right.
Either inside me.
Agreed.
Or on my back. On my back. On my back, yeah, or inside me. I don't like a mess. I don't like a mess.
Anything but inside me, because fuck them kids.
But let's say fuck them!
Definitely inside or on the back. If the roles were reversed, how would you decide?
I would say in the mouth, maybe.
I would respect the other person's decision and space.
I would ask them what they like. If they're into, you know, no condom, facials, in between the. So if that's what they like, fair enough. But as long as that's not been clarified, I'm not doing anything but in the condom.
Just ask the girl.
Just ask the girl. Yeah, fair enough.
Where do you feel like, yeah.
I would go with the passion, but I would also be conscious. If I have someone who's in my heart, I would be loyal to her.
Inside them.
Facial.
Facial you would go for, yeah?
Maybe. I mean, I don't want to get pregnant anytime soon, so
Okay, facial is good for that.
facial or in.
All right.
I would just ask, but definitely not put it in their hair.
Don't put it in there. Okay.
And if they don't want to get pregnant, then definitely do not come inside them.
Yours, tell me, have you ever had a moment where you were like, not there?
The load doesn't go in me. Please, never in me.
Never in you.
Yeah, it's still next door. It's still very, very far away. It can go in the back door.
This one.
Just, yeah, where is it?
Yeah, this one.
Not really.
Yeah.
Accidents or like, what was it?
You just suggest it, you know? Just,
Yeah.
like, probably not the best idea.
For like feet stuff, I guess.
Don't come into feet.
No, I had quite good experiences and the guys were like, good, chill. Yeah.
When it's like almost gone in my eye, like I'm like, not in my freaking eyes. Like,
Not in the eyes. Not in the eyes. Not in the eyes. No. All right, guys, there you have it. When it comes to the question of where to leave your load, the consensus is pretty clear. It's all about communication, respect, and a little bit of teamwork. Whether it's the playful, just not in my hair, the practical, use a tissue, or the collaborative, wherever we agree, women have made one thing super obvious. They appreciate a man who listens and respects their preferences. Here's the deal, fellas. Intimacy is not just about you. It's about both of you enjoying the moment. If you want to avoid those awkward post-intimacy conversations or eye rolls, the magic formula is simple Ask, understand, and deliver. Confidence is sexy, but respect is irresistible. Now, let me leave you with this advice. Don't overthink it. Women aren't looking for perfection. They're looking for connection. So, the next time you're in a moment of intimacy, be present, be considerate, and most importantly, be communicative. If you can do that, you'll be golden. And hey, if you're struggling to get these moments in the first place, don't sweat it. That's why I'm here. If you want to train with me, I'll help you break through your dating obstacles and show you how to attract the women you truly desire. Whether it's building confidence, improving communication, or just learning the ropes of dating, we've got you covered. Check out our digital products and personalized coaching services at KamaLifestyles.com. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on more amazing content like this. Until next time, keep it fun, keep it real, and as always, stay confident, and I will see you on my next video.